Hi students, I hope that you all are fine. In this video, I am going to tell about heat and temperature from 7th standard term 2. Temperature is involved in many aspects of our daily life, including our own bodies and health. The measurement of warmness or coldness of a substance is known as its temperature. It is a measure of the average kinetic energy of a particle of an object. Temperature is related to how fast the atoms within a substance are moving. If you are giving more heat to the solid particle, that molecules will be moved faster. Next we have to see temperature units. First one Kelvin, second one Celsius, third one Fahrenheit. Celsius is written as degree Celsius and read as degree. For example, 20 degrees Celsius, it is read as 20 degrees Celsius. Celsius is called as centigrade as well. Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit is written as degree Fahrenheit. For example, 25 degree Fahrenheit, it is read as 25 degree Fahrenheit. Kelvin. Kelvin is written as K. For example, 100 Kelvin, it is read as 100 Kelvin. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Next, thermometer. Thermometer is the most common instrument to measure temperature. There are various kinds of thermometer. Some of them are like glass tubes which lie thin and are filled with some kind of liquids. Why mercury or alcohol are used in thermometer? Mostly alcohols and mercury are used in thermometers as they remain in liquid from even with a change of temperature in them. A small change in the temperature causes change in volume of a liquid. So, we measure this temperature by measuring expansion of a liquid in thermometer. Next, properties of mercury. Its expansion is uniform. Its boiling point is 38.9 degrees Celsius is melting point. Boiling point 356.7 degree Celsius. It is a good conductor of heat. It is opaque and shining. Next, properties of alcohol. The freezing point of alcohol is less than minus 100 degrees Celsius. So, it can be used to measure very low temperature. It can be colored brightly and hence it is easily visible. Next one is type of thermometer. There are different type of thermometer or measure the temperature of different things like air, our bodies, food and many other things. Among these commonly used thermometers are clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. First we have to see clinical thermometer. These thermometers are used to measure the temperature of a human body at home, clinics and hospitals. All clinical thermometers have a nick that prevents the mercury from flowing back into the bulb when the thermometer is taken out of the patient mouth so that the thermometer can be noted conveniently. Next one is laboratory thermometer. Laboratory thermometer are used to measure the temperature in schools and other laboratories for scientific research. They are also used in the industry as they can measure the temperature higher than which clinical thermometers can record it. The stem and the bulb of a thermometer are longer when compared to that of a clinical thermometer and also the lab thermometer. A laboratory thermometer has only the Celsius scale ranging from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Next one is difference between clinical and laboratory thermometer. Clinical thermometer is scaled from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Lab thermometer, that is laboratory thermometer, is generally scaled from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Mercury level does not fall on its own as there is a nick near a bulb to prevent the fall of mercury level in clinical thermometer. At the same time, laboratory thermometer, mercury level falls on its own as no nick present. Temperature can be read after removing the thermometer from armpit or mouth. Temperature is read while keeping the thermometer and is source of temperature. Example liquid. To lower the mercury level, jerk on given. No need to give jerk to lower the mercury level. It is used in lab, that is laboratory thermometer. Next one is digital thermometer. Digital thermometer is mainly used in take the body temperature. It have an one sensor. That's why the reason it is giving some digital numbers. It is a lot of concern over the use of mercury thermometer. Mercury is a toxic substance and very difficult to dispose of. It's a thermometer breaks. These days digital thermometer are available which do not use mercury. Next, scales of thermometer: Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale, and Kelvin scale. So Celsius scale 0 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius is present. Celsius is common unit of measuring temperature, termed after Swedish astronomer Andreas Celsius. In 1742, before that it was known as centigrade as thermometer using this scale or calibrated from 0 degree Celsius to 100 degree Celsius. Next, Fahrenheit scale. Fahrenheit is a common unit to measure the common body temperature. It is termed after the name of Fahrenheit. Freezing point of thermometer is 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 212 degree Fahrenheit. Next, Kelvin scale. Kelvin scale is termed after Lord Kelvin. It is a SI unit of measuring temperature and written as K, also known as absolute scale as it is taught from absolute zero temperature. I hope that you all are understand. Thank you, students.